Nanning Baolai Medical Instrument Company was established in 2009 to mainly develop technological products for the worldwide dental equipment market. Baolai has ISO 13485 certification and 33 patents and is one of only 2 Chinese scalar manufacturers having all these certifications. All products must pass a durability test for 2,000 hours use and are inspected for quality 3 times before leaving factory. Baolai was the first manufacturer in the world to launch an aluminum alloy scalar handpiece, solving the traditional scalar handpiece problems such as cracking and yellowing caused by the disinfection process. It was granted 15 national patents for this innovation. Baolai has developed piezo ultrasonic scalar, painless periodontal treatment device, extraoral aerosol suction system, LED curing light, face shield and goggles. All products are highly regarded by dentists from 112 countries and regions of the world. Dentists and their patients trust our products. On our part, we implement the concept of customer service in all departments. Service our customers in good faith and with sincerity. Baolai is to have long-term cooperation and mutual development with our distributors. Meanwhile, Baolai provides WeChat, WhatsApp, Skype, mobile official website, and other speedy internet services to interact to the end users directly in order to solve any problem quickly. Baolai Medical's corporate culture can be summarized as making the best, believable, brilliant, beautiful products and services for the world's dentists.